Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Python Selenium is a powerful tool for automating web browsers, but sometimes developers encounter issues when trying to refresh all tabs. This tutorial will guide you through solving such problems and provide code examples to demonstrate the solution. Refreshing all tabs in Python Selenium can be challenging due to the dynamic nature of web applications. The issue often arises when trying to iterate through multiple tabs and refresh each one. The key to solving this problem lies in properly handling window handles and managing the focus on each tab. By following these steps, you should be able to solve problems related to refreshing all tabs in Python Selenium. Properly managing window handles and adding appropriate delays can help ensure a smooth execution of your automation script. Feel free to customize the example code according to your specific needs. ChatGPT